Okay, so again, we are with the Ipswich AP. We've just given some of these to the guys to have a look at. We're by the River Orwell today, and I was just walking along and identified this. So this is actually pepperweed. Normally springtime, so it's quite a find, I think, today, especially in where we are. So it basically can be used for salads. It's a substitute. It's a substitute for black pepper, also for horseradish. Now for me, so we give it obviously a wash. You can peel it up like this, and you add it to your salad. So for me, definitely I'm getting pepper and horseradish. So what are you getting from that?
Black pepper.
Excellent.
It does not smell nice.
Shall I pass it on?
A bit of a perfume vibe.
Okay, well. Salt. Okay, well we are really on the history. Salt. Yes?
Definitely pepper. I don't really know what horseradish smells like.
Oh, okay, we'll have to find some on the roadside. Okay, we'll do another one later on horseradish. Okay, thanks ever so much.